PROK stock analysis and PROK stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years. So I've seen what's printing and what is not. Especially like for me, ProKidney Corp. You know, it went down for sure. Like, let me show you that before. The video was made 2nd of June, a month ago. And I was so on point with this, you know, it absolutely delivered. It went from $1 to like 50 cents, and then boom, out of nowhere went 500% up. When the price is pumping this much, this high, bro, I'm just willing to juice it up. Meaning I just want to squeeze the most juice that I can out of it. And that is, I'm only going to buy if the price pulls and gives me a double break. And if that's not the case, then bro, I guess I'm not going to buy. You know what I mean? So all I will do in the meantime is I will just keep waiting for rules. Simple, typical. And if you want my exact process, formula, and blueprint to get to those 10k months plus Discord and picks, click the first link in the description. Risk-free, 1,200 people have tried it.